Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. I am genuinely so glad you're here today. We're going to be taking a bit of a journey, a deep, honest look right into your own mind and heart. We're going to unpack some of those complex, tangled emotions you might be carrying around with you. So get comfortable, take a nice deep breath, and let's just dive right in. We're exploring the intricate map of navigating peace, love, and true belonging.
Have you ever felt like you just kinda don't belong? Just let that question sit with you for a second. Have you ever felt like you're just a shell, walking through a world that everyone else somehow inherently knows how to navigate? Almost like you're an alien in a crowded room, surrounded by all these people, yet you have literally never felt more profoundly alone. Listen to me, I really want you to know that if you feel like a puzzle piece being forced into the wrong box, you are absolutely not broken.
So let's get into Section 1, the weight of feeling alone.
Before we can build any kind of sanctuary for ourselves, we have to actually acknowledge the painful reality of feeling unseen. We need to look at the psychological why behind these heavy, isolating emotions. Think about those dramatic, beautiful moments in movies or anime, like in Your Name when their lives are just inexplicably connected, or that incredible moment in Spirited Away when Haku remembers Chihiro. Those scenes hit us hard, right? Because they capture the feeling of being truly, deeply seen. But for some of us, love feels way less like a shared connection and more like real-life observation. It feels almost like watching people speak this beautiful language that you were simply never taught. And when you're constantly observing from the outside, well, your brain adapts. It develops hypervigilance. So if someone actually treats you kindly, your brain might not relax at all. It panics. It treats that kindness as suspicious or even dangerous. It starts asking, wait, why are they being nice? What's the catch? What do they want? Think of Todoroki in My Hero Academia when Deku first offers him genuine friendship. He literally doesn't know what to do with it. Listen, if you panic at kindness, that is not a flaw. Your brain learns somewhere along the line that kindness was rare or unpredictable, and it is just working overtime trying to protect you.
But that protection, it has a really painful side effect. You start building a narrative in your head. You start telling yourself, maybe I'm just not someone people can love. And once that story takes root, your brain starts collecting evidence to prove it. A friend cancels plans? Boom, evidence. A relationship slowly fades out? More evidence. Pretty soon, you've built this sad internal montage. You feel like the main character walking in the rain while a melancholic song, like Radiohead's Creep or Lord's Liability, plays in the background. You become fully convinced that you are somehow both way too much and completely not enough. I see that pain. And I'm telling you this right now with total certainty. That story isn't the truth.
Moving right along to Section 2, why you feel outcast.
Okay, so we validated the pain, but now we need to break down the actual biological and social reasons behind this persistent feeling of being an other. First off, you might just be an old soul. You're living in this incredibly fast-paced, noisy world, but what you actually crave is quiet, intention, depth, and authenticity. Second, you might be a highly sensitive person. And third, your core values simply misalign with society's rigid blueprint. When your inner truth is constantly clashing with the outer world's expectations, it creates this constant low-grade hum of not belonging.
Let's zero in on that second point for a minute, being a highly sensitive person, or an HSP. This is a real biological trait, guys, not a disorder. I want to say this clearly, but with a lot of warmth. Your nervous system is simply more receptive. You literally feel the emotional undercurrents in a room. So if you feel completely drained at a tense family dinner or exhausted walking through a loud mall, that is a perfectly normal biological response. It is absolutely not a personal failure. You are just processing the world on a completely different frequency than most people. And because you operate on that frequency, you are meant to build something new. You are not a broken piece of a standard puzzle. Think of Naruto, using the pain of being an outcast as literal fuel to become a leader. Or look at real-life creators, like German985 or Mr. Beast. They didn't fit the traditional mold at all. They had these quirky obsessions, and instead of forcing themselves into a regular life that didn't fit, they turned those obsessions into authentic mastery. Your otherness isn't a curse. It's actually the exact tool you need to build your own reality.
Which brings us to Section 3, the cutting off culture trap.
Building your reality means you have to manage the people in it. And I want to offer a gentle but very firm warning here about how the modern internet tells us to deal with social friction. We are constantly being told that cutting people off is the ultimate form of self-care. But look, there is a massive difference between taking some temporary self-preservation time while you heal and buying into a toxic cutoff culture. Going totally scorched earth over minor disagreements or clumsy mistakes, that doesn't protect your peace. It just helps you avoid personal growth. Honestly, it turns you into an intolerant gatekeeper on a quest for a perfectly curated life that doesn't actually exist.
Now, to be absolutely clear, there are definitely times when survival requires a clean break. You unconditionally cut ties with the malicious manipulators, the Joe Goldbergs of the world who actively and purposefully try to cross your boundaries. You also cut ties with the consistently negative and abusive people. Think of the Dursleys from Harry Potter, people who look at your magic and only want to lock it in a cupboard under the stairs. You do not owe those people access to your life, period. But for everyone else, the messy, complicated, totally flawed people who accidentally bump into you, remember this quote: "A life with no friction is a blank canvas." If you remove every single complicated person from your life, you become a fragile hothouse flower. Sure, you might be beautiful, but you'll be totally unable to survive the real world. You miss out on the profound, unbreakable connections that are only forged by repairing broken things and working through misunderstandings together.
Let's move to Section 4, Protecting Your Inner Peace.
So, how do we actually balance all this? Let's look at the practical, strategic tools you can use right now to manage your relationships without becoming an intolerant hermit isolated on a mountain somewhere. Step 1, build an emotional firewall. Step 2, change the channel. Remember, you are the remote control to your own attention. Don't let someone else hold it. Step 3, manage your dosage. You are stepping into the role of a wise guide for your own energy here. You are learning to control the volume dial of other people's influence on your daily life.
Let's look a little closer at that firewall metaphor. Because a wall keeps everything out. It's totally isolating. But a firewall lets you decide what gets in. You don't have to answer every single text the second you get it. You don't have to be a 24/7 therapist for your friends. You can deeply love a chaotic aunt, for example, but you can love her from a healthy distance. You are the admin. You get to decide the traffic that enters your network. I really want you to carry this piece of older brother advice with you. You're not cutting them off. You're just putting them on a limited data plan. Telling someone, hey, I only have 15 minutes to chat right now, isn't rude, not at all. It is highly strategic peace management. You're protecting your energy so you actually have something left in the tank to give to the things that truly matter to you.
And finally, Section 5, Finding Your True Belonging.
Conserving your energy, like we just talked about, shifts your focus. It moves you from just playing defense and protecting yourself to actively building a beautiful, authentic reality. And this right here is the most important distinction you will ever learn. Fitting in is changing yourself to be accepted. Belonging is being accepted exactly as you are. I want to urge you right now to stop shrinking yourself to fit into spaces, groups, and relationships that were never, ever designed for you in the first place. And as you start finding those real spaces of belonging, you might have to redefine what love actually looks like. It doesn't always have a sweeping, dramatic movie soundtrack. Real love is often remarkably quiet. It's someone remembering to grab your favorite snack at the store. It's a friend sitting with you in total silence when the world feels incredibly heavy. Psychology tells us that you may actually have been deeply loved in the past, but it was just expressed in ways that didn't match your specific emotional needs at the time. Start looking for the quiet love. Let your weirdness be your compass. The very things that made you feel like an alien are actually your superpowers. Your sensitivity, it makes you a highly compassionate healer. Your old soul wisdom, it completely cuts through the superficial noise of modern life. Your different values, they give you the courage to be fiercely authentic. And listen to me, the mere fact that you even ask yourself, was I ever loved, proves that you deeply value connection. You have an immense, beautiful capacity to care.
So stop trying to find where you fit in. Take that energy and start building the place where you belong. You don't need anyone's permission to build your sanctuary. Look at the founder of Psych2Go, just a psychology student who wanted to share knowledge. He couldn't find his exact community out there, so what did he do? He built one on Tumblr, and it grew into this massive sanctuary for mental wellness and advocacy. He created his own tribe, and I promise you, you can too.
I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on. The world simply wasn't ready for you. You are a pioneer, exploring entirely new depths of thought and feeling. So the question really isn't whether you belong in the world as it is right now. The question is, will you be the one to get it ready? You have the gifts, you have the sensitivity. Now go rewrite your emotional story and build the place you were always meant to be. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Take care of yourselves out there.